Get your hands on Hugging Face's Reachy Mini robots, the future of AI robotics. Imagine a world where robots are not just controlled by a few corporations, but by the people themselves. A world where anyone can build, modify, and share their own AI applications. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore, thanks to Hugging Face's latest innovation, the Reachy Mini desktop robots. Hugging Face, a leading AI development platform, has just opened up orders for its revolutionary Reachy Mini desktop robots. These tiny robots, about the size of a standard stuffed animal, are designed to empower developers to create, test, and share their own AI applications. And the best part? They're open source, giving users complete control over their robots. The company initially unveiled the prototypes of these devices back in May, alongside a larger humanoid robot named Hope Jr. Now, they're ready for developers to get their hands on them. Hugging Face plans to release two versions of the Reachy Mini, the Reachy Mini Wireless, which costs $449 and runs on a Raspberry 5 mini computer, and the Reachy Mini Lite, which is cheaper at $299 but needs to be connected to a computing source. But here's where it gets interesting, these robots come in a kit for developers to build themselves. Yes, you read that right, you get to build your own robot from scratch. And once you've built it, you can fully program it in Python. The robots come with 2 screens for eyes and 2 antennas, and they're integrated with the Hugging Face Hub, the company's open-source machine learning platform. This gives users access to over 1.7 million AI models and over 400,000 datasets. Clem DeLange, the CEO of Hugging Face, told TechCrunch that the decision to launch 2 versions of the Reachy Mini was based on initial feedback from early testers. One tester's 5-year-old daughter wanted to take the desktop robot around the house with her, and the company realized she wouldn't be the only one. This is the part most people miss, the power of open-source hardware. By making the robots open source, Hugging Face is giving users the